Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing those who have been to the Phuket Sandbox and wish to leave after spending their required amount of time in the Phuket Sandbox, if you will. They wish to leave by land. So in a recent article, we found this via the Phuket News, that's the PhuketNews.com. Article is titled, Phuket officials issue new order for Sandbox tourist arrivals from July 1. Again, that's the Phuket News, and we're quoting one tiny excerpt out of here. A lot of information in there. I urge you to go check out the Phuket News, their website, because there's a lot of great information, a lot more than what I'm getting to here. Quoting directly, Article 3, and this is Article 3 of the provincial order regarding these protocols associated with the Sandbox. Article 3, those who come from abroad and wish to leave Phuket to travel to other provinces by land and by boat are to comply with the following practices. By land, Ta Kach Chat Chai checkpoint, those who wish to travel outside of Phuket must present documents confirming the government has approved the procedures with a stamp in the passport attachment indicating the length of stay in Phuket, evidence of a COVID-19 test that shows that COVID-19 was not detected during the 14-day period of residence in Phuket, issued by an agency of the Ministry of Public Health, and proof of residence in a SHA Plus certified establishment in Phuket for a period of 14 nights. So what we're talking about is you've basically got to prove that you adhered to the protocols associated with being in the Sandbox. And for those who are unaware, this SHA Plus, this is the certification for these hotels that are specifically able to host and accommodate folks in this Sandbox scheme. So not every hotel in Phuket is going to allow this. It's going to be only certain kinds of hotels that have this certification. It's not unlike, although it is qualitatively different, but it's somewhat similar to what's called alternative state quarantine hotels, although alternative state quarantine are specifically certified to hold people just in their room for the 14 days of the quarantine proceeding. So it is definitely interesting. Those who wish to, they come into Phuket, they do their time in Phuket, they're not necessarily in a quarantine facility, they're able to sort of roam about the island. And then when they wish to leave through the Thai Chat Chai checkpoint by land, they've got to present this documentation in order to be allowed out into Greater Thailand. Now, as we've noted in other videos, there is a set of protocols inherent in this new announcement, which basically says that if cases spike or if unforeseen events occur, they can sort of roll things back or, change the nature of the Sandbox protocols as and when they need to. So if this does change, we will certainly keep people updated on this channel as the situation progresses.